trade recap for Wednesday, the 22nd of July. We took a loss today, so let's get into the recap. I lost about $1,500 on each of my accounts, so down about $3,000 total. Was expecting to take payouts today, but yeah. So coming into the market today, market did dump overnight. However, I was still leaning bulls. Why was that? Because at market, or not market open, but overnight, we had tapped into over OTE of this bullish range right here. We tapped 0.618 of the range. We tapped this lower 1 hour gap, and we were rejecting off of the overnight value area low and OTE of the high time frame range. So was leaning bullish. However, coming into market open at about 9:30, did want to see us push lower as we didn't have a wick on the hourly candle. So as you can see here, this is a wickless candle. So I would ideally wanted to have seen a retrace, sweep out this, put a wick lower, and then come higher for London and Asia London and Asia highs. However, at market open, we did just rip, and we got above VWAP. We chopped, held VWAP, and then pushed higher right for London highs. So then after that, I was waiting for a setup to get in to go to these Asia highs up here at 324. So after that, at about 9:45, I marked out my current session volume profile. So let me run that. And at 10:06, right here, we came down, tagged we were holding previous week 50% after breaking here, tagged value area high, tagged previous week 50%, and tagged this VWAP band here. Got a strong reclaim, so I entered on this candle here. I entered longs, targeting these Asia highs, and I had my stop just below the stack, or just below previous day value area low, right here, targeting the POC. And as you can see, it just dumps us, almost takes us out, comes back higher, and then market's manipulating, and it dumps and takes us out. However, that was my loss for the day. Honestly, right bias, right direction. I think I was honestly just a little early. And in hindsight, I ended up getting in on my live account when I got stopped out right here. And I took this long. We had value area low. We had VWAP, the standard VWAP. We had orb high. We had London high, previous day value area low, true day open. We were holding this range, and I wanted to see Asia highs. I knew it was our draw. And once we saw this big rejection and this Wiccan flip off of the value area low and VWAP, easy entry for Asia highs. Had my stop below these levels, and yeah, it chopped a bunch. Chopped, held that orb high, and then finally delivered to our TP. So that was my trade on my live account, but that does not count for my $0 to $1 million in prop firm payouts challenge, as I did not take that on the evals. I'm only trying to take one trade a day on those evals. So, on those fundeds. So yeah, come back for day 8 tomorrow, where hopefully we can rebuild that intraday buffer and take payouts. But yeah, I mean, losses are a part of the game, and we just took a small loss. So that's all.